Hi guys, welcome to Levon's Divine Touch. Today I want to go over this airflow technology bonnet. I never used it. You guys, I got it off Amazon. I will leave the link below. But if you're a hairstylist and you do house calls, or even if you're at home, I know you could like use it for deep conditioning treatments. It's really good for that. Just trying to get this open. It comes with a travel bag. You guys see that? And a headband. And then it says on the inside there's a QR code to scan for the directions. So I guess they don't put the directions in the box. It's cool, it's cool. Dang, that thing did not want to come up over there. Okay, let's open this, you guys. Open it from the bottom. It's built like that. Okay, so this is what it looked like. Here goes the QR code. The little thank you card, so cute. Wow, it's like a little makeup bag. This is perfect for traveling stylists. Okay, here goes the headband I was talking about. I guess this probably goes on there with it. Dang, I got a little head, y'all. I got a little head, but yeah. It's soft too. It's like microfiber texture. Okay, so this thing's long. I guess you plug this part into your blow dryer. Well, yeah, that's what you do with that part. And then you got, it's only got one side. Dang, how big they think somebody's head gonna be? Well, I guess if you put the blow dryer on it, it's supposed to, but like, I'm an Egyptian goddess. Okay, and then you gotta like, clamp these things on there, hold on. Ow! Fucker, like, look at my finger, y'all. I ain't fucking with that. Oh, excuse me. Freaking with that. And I guess this is supposed to go to protect your ears, right? So yeah, y'all. Yeah, that protects your ears, so that's how that goes. And then you pump up, wrap your hair in it, put your blow dryer in there. I'm so silly. Okay, it looked like, no, you can't change the side, but if your blow dryer is a little smaller, I guess you can like wrap it tighter around it. This is the Elegante Beauty line. I think my head too small. Thank you guys for watching my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I appreciate you. Have a great day.